Hello, and welcome to the overview of the Keystone Support app. To gain access to this application, you'll first have to reset your password. So you're going to click on the Password Reset button below the blue Login button. Here you will enter the email address that you have associated with Keystone. And when you're ready, you can click Reset. When you have successfully reset your password, you will receive a green message above the login box that states that you will have an email sent to your email address within 15 minutes. In that email, you'll get a link to reset your password. That email will come from noreply@k12.com, and when you reset your password and are ready to log in, you can put your information in the username field and password field. Your username is going to be the email address that you have on file with Keystone. When we are logged in, you'll be able to see a couple things on your screen to click on, but the first thing I want to go through is at the top here on this blue bar, you have the number for our Student Services Department, which if you click on this button, it will open a phone client either on a mobile device, or if you have a phone client on your computer, it will open that. Next, your email address will show in the top right-hand corner. If you click on this will show a few options that you can click on to change the appearance of your application. You can change the font size, change the color, you can even sign out through this little drop-down menu as well. The first item you can click on, though, under the Home section is Student Courses. This will show a list of all the students that you have with Keystone. You can click on a student, and this will bring you to a list of every course that the student is enrolled in and has ever been enrolled in with Keystone. From the information here, you'll be able to see the course name, the course due date, the status, whether it's active, inactive, withdrawn, or complete, the date that the student was enrolled in that class, the current grade that they have in that course, the percentage of course complete, the last assessment that was graded, the date of it, and then the total assessment count, so how many graded assignments are in each of those courses. If you would like to see some further details on a class, you may click on the title, and this will bring you to a breakdown of the assessments that were graded and not graded. You can see which assignments those are by clicking on the down arrows underneath the pie chart. So you can see the graded assignments, and you can see the not graded assignments. And the graded assignments will show the grade, the date it was received, and the date that it was graded. Underneath Student Courses, you have the Student Academic Record. And here you'll have the list of all the students you have with Keystone. If you click on this will bring you to an unofficial copy of the student's transcripts. However, for this demo, I'm going to be unable to show you the transcript just because this is a demo account and not associated with any real student. Underneath academic records, we have student profiles. Within the student profile, you'll be able to see all of the information that is associated with your student that we have at Keystone. Underneath student profiles is your profile, and here is where you'll be able to see all the information associated with the support profile at Keystone. Underneath my profile, we have billing, which will show the billing history for each student, and next appointment setup. This is where you'll be able to set up a time to speak with different people in different departments. Please note that all times that are displayed will be in Eastern Standard Time, but all you have to do is select a department you want to speak with, choose a person, and then you'll be able to see their open availability down below in the calendar view. Support requests. You'll be able to send an email directly to Student Services if you have a question. So if you are not available to call them at the 1-800 number that appears at the top here, you can send them an email. There's a subject line and a message, and it will be sent directly to the Student Services Department, and you'll receive a response within 24 hours. Next, you have the Keystone Teacher Link, which has links to all the departments for the Keystone Teacher Link in high school and middle school. When you click one of these departments, it will open your email client on your device, and you'll be able to send an email directly from there. In the next few options for View School Profile and View School Handbook, you'll be able to download a PDF copy of both of those documents just by clicking on them. In the last item, you can review the terms of service of using this application. And when you want to log out of the program, all you have to do is click on your email address in the top right-hand corner, click Sign Out, and you're good to go. And this is your how-to on the Keystone Support app.